Gonna go through here a little tool haul. First of all, Facebook group. Gentleman posted a hammer. I told him I'd be interested in it. It's $25. I told him I'd pay him extra $10. He can saw off the handle and send it to me. Don't know if you can see. Let's see, but it's a Champion tool company. 2 1/4 inch cross peen, and it's really good condition. So I just push out that, put a new handle in it. Really excited about that. Then for just under $40 shipped, I got these. No, they're not giant pencil sharpeners. These are spoke pointers. These would find the center of a spoke before you would go and get your hollow auger. There's a hollow auger here. This will make a tendon so you can put a mortise in the rim and put the wheel together. Then yesterday, Facebook Marketplace here locally, we got this. Paid $20 for this hog splitter, carcass splitter, whatever you want to call it. The blade itself is 14 inches. I mean, this thing's a monster. It's a through tang. See the handle split here, but there's metal all the way through here, and it's heavy, it's thick, it's really excited about that one. And also he had this. It's a Blodgett tool. Edge Tool Company, Blodgett Edge Tool Company, I think is what it said. 1850s. That thing's a monster too. Another $20 for that. So super excited. That's my tool haul for the week. Thanks for watching.